Hello students, today in continuation to our series IP practicals for class 11, we are going to start today with fifth practical. We have covered four practicals in our last four videos. If you didn't watch these practicals, please go through those videos under the playlist class 11 IP practicals. So today we are going to discuss the Python program to calculate the area and perimeter of a square. So as usual, we will see three things in this video. One will be problem description, like oh, the problem for which we need to create the program. Then we will discuss the program logic in detail. Then we will write the Python code, and then at last we will do a demo on spider editor, spider Python editor. So we will do these four things in this video, so please watch till end and let's get started. So as usual, first we will understand what is the problem. Problem is to find out the area and perimeter of a square. In last video we have seen the Python program to calculate the area and perimeter for the rectangle. If you didn't watch, please go through this video. Before watching this, it will clear your concepts very easily. So we will draw a square here. So square is what? The square is a shape in which the length of all these four sides will be same. Let's suppose the length of this side is a, length of this side will also be a, length of this side will also be a, length of this side will also a, like this. So in case of rectangle it is not so. In case of rectangular, what happens, the length and breadth would need not be necessarily same. Like this is the length L and this is the breadth B, then L will not equals to B. If L equals to B, that means this is square, and if L is not equals to B, that means it is rectangle. So this is basically difference between rectangle and square. So in case of square, the length and breadth will always be same. In case of square, length and breadth will be same. So what is the area? Area of a square? Area of a square is simply length into breadth. What is the length here? Length and breadth for same. So let's suppose length is a and breadth is also a, then area of the square will be a square. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a square, it will be 4 times addition of a. So like a plus a plus a plus a, this is known as perimeter. This distance plus this distance plus this distance plus this distance, this is known as perimeter. So for a is the perimeter and a square is the area. So we have written the two formulas. We will use these formulas to write our program. Area of a square will be a square and perimeter of the square will be 4 into a. So here we need not to take the two inputs, length and breadth, separately, as we know in case of a square the length and breadth will be same. So we will take the a input from the user and we will calculate the a square and 4a to calculate the perimeter and area of the square. Okay, so this is the problem actually for which we need to write the Python code. In next slide we will see how can we write the Python program for this, and then we will write the Python code and then we will execute it. Okay, so here we will write the first step. Take the length of side of square as input from user. First step, we will take the length of the side of a square as input from the user. Steps, we are discussing these steps. Second, we will do apply the formula to calculate the area and perimeter of a square. What is the formula? We have discussed in the last slide. I am writing it here. Area equals to, let's suppose we have taken the input in side variable, then what will be the side into side we can write, or we can write like this: area equals to side star star 2, because in Python we square using this operator double star. Okay, so keep this in mind. Now we will calculate the perimeter. We will write the formula. Perimeter equals to, what is the 4 into side. This is the formula to calculate the perimeter, and at last we will display the area and perimeter. At last we will display the area and perimeter. So these are the steps to write down the Python program. We will write down the Python code in the next slide. Okay, so here we will write down the Python code. So first we will take the input length of the side. So I am taking into the variable side. We will take, it may be in float or it may be in integer, so I am taking it as a float. Input method, you all know, to take the input from the user, it will written in string and we will convert it into the float. Enter the length of side of square, whatever is square for which we want to calculate the length, we will take the input from the user. Then what we will do, we will apply the formula here. So area equals to, we will write side double star 2, because side square is the formula. Then we will write down the perimeter variable we will create, and we will apply the formula 4 star a. Okay, and then we will print simply. Print the area of square is what? Area, and then print the perimeter of square is what? We have the perimeter variable. So this is how you can write down the code for calculating the area and perimeter of the square. Okay, now we will see this into the Python editor. I am opening the Python editor here. So here it is our spider. I will write the code here. First I need to take the input from the user. So input method, enter the length of the side of area, square, then just a bit. Okay, then we will apply the formula for calculating the area, that is side double star 2 or perimeter equals to, we will write 4 star A, or we can say side, and then we will print simply the area of square is, we will print the area here, and then we will print the perimeter of square is, then we will print the perimeter here. Simply we will run it, save, and just click on here for run, and just I am running it so that you can see. Just I clicked here, it is asking the length. Let's suppose I have entered the length 10, and then what should be the output? You can guess as per the formula. What should be? Area should be what? 10 double star 2, that is equals to 10 square, that is 100. And what should be the perimeter? Perimeter should be 4 into side, that is 10, so 40. So this should be the output. Let's see. I just click here, and here you can see the area of the square is 100 and perimeter is 40 as we have calculated. This dot point 0 is coming because we have taken this value as a float, so everything is converted into the float. Keep this in mind. Okay, so for the experiment, for the purpose of experiment, what you can do, you can play with this code like this. What you can do, you can either use this method to calculate the square, or you can also do like this. I am just commenting this. You can also like this, side star side, that is also equivalent to side square, so this will also result in the same thing. You enter the 10, it will result 140. So this is how you can apply both the formulas as per your requirement. Okay, so note it down, any formula you can use. Okay, so just write down the code and practice in the Python editor, your Python editor. If you have any issue, then just comment on this video or email me, I will get back to you. Thank you.